So, how to break free from emotional pain? Let's dive into the practical, science-backed tools that you can use to start healing emotional pain today. First, we're going to talk about mindfulness and neuroscience. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that helps you retrain your brain to stay in a present moment instead of getting stuck in emotional loops. Studies shows that mindfulness practices literally change your brain structure, increasing activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that's responsible for decision making, while decreasing activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain that's responsible for fear and stress. By practicing mindfulness daily, you can change your brain to release emotional pain and calm your nervous system. And it can be as simple as deep breathing for 5-10 minutes daily. Just focus on your breath and gently bring your awareness back when your mind starts to wander. Now, let's talk about the breathwork. Breathwork is another incredible, effective tool for emotional pain. Deep conscious breathing taps into the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and healing. Breathwork releases stored emotions in the body, and it's one of the fastest ways to break the cycle of emotional pain. The belly breathing is so effective. You just imagine that your lungs are in your belly. And there is another breathing techniques. You deeply inhale for 4 seconds. You hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And hold again for 4 seconds. This is called the square breathing technique. So you inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. And just repeat it for like a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, and you will immediately feel the shift in your energy. Now let's talk about NLP to rewire your subconscious. NLP is a powerful technique that helps you shift limiting beliefs and emotional pain that are trapped in your subconscious. Using NLP, we can reprogram your emotional responses, breaking the old patterns that keep you stuck. One of the most effective NLP techniques is called anchoring, where you create a physical gesture or word that triggers calm and positive emotional response. And you keep reinforcing it. And by doing this, you can change your brain's response to stress or anxiety. And the last tool we're going to talk about is energy healing to release trapped emotions. Energy healing modalities like Reiki or chakra clearing or spiritual healing are also amazing tools for releasing trapped emotions from your energy body. These practices work by balancing your energy field and allowing stagnant emotional energy to flow freely, bringing you back into alignment.